owns several intellectual properties, as it has registered numerous patents and utility models. Its products also comply with RoHS directives, which prove it does not contain any environmentally hazardous contaminants. Our company supplies products to thousands of domestic and international companies in several sectors, including
We are already rising above our competitors in the technological battle, earning trust and credibility through such major certifications as ISO 9001, TS 16949, InnoBiz, and CE. Currently, we have durability. These products have been introduced and exported to countries in Southeast Asia, China, and the USA.